Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by launching Garageband and opening the project where you want plugins. Once done, select the track and open Smart Controls at the bottom. Make sure audio units are enabled in Garageband preferences so third-party plugins appear. Next, click the track's Plugins and EQ area to view inserted plugins. You're now in the plugin workflow and ready for the first insertion step. This ensures Garageband scans available plugins and shows Apple and audio unit options for immediate use. You will click an empty plugin slot and then choose from the menu items. Garageband lists built-in effects first, then audio units for third-party tools. Once you pick a category, like EQ, dynamics, or modulation, scan the submenu or type a name to speed finding a specific plugin. After selecting one, adjust its interface by opening the plugin window. Make sure to chain multiple plugins in slots. This order affects tone and processing, so experiment by swapping or bypassing to hear differences. You'll now tweak parameters until the sound fits the mix and save presets for later. Once done, use bypass and reordering to compare processing paths. This helps identify the best signal chain. If a plugin doesn't appear, quit GarageBand and reopen to force a rescan, or run audio unit validation in Audio MIDI setup. As a quick troubleshooting tip, make sure the plugin is 64-bit compatible and properly installed in /library/audio/plugins/components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.